Are YouTube comments not showing up on your videos or someone else's? In today's video, I'll show you a quick fix that brings them back instantly so you'll never miss a comment or interaction again. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. First, you will need to make sure that your YouTube app is updated. Go to your App Store and search for the YouTube app. If you see the word update, it means your YouTube version is not the latest, so go ahead to tap on update. If you see the word open, it means you have the latest version. Next, make sure you are logged in correctly to your YouTube account. Open up your YouTube app and tap on the profile icon on the bottom right. Here you can see I'm logged in to my Steph Lee Tech account. Sometimes you need to be logged into your YouTube account to be able to see comments on YouTube videos. If you are still not seeing comments, the other way is to remove restricted mode on your YouTube account. To do that, tap on the gear settings icon on the top right, then tap on General. Under restricted mode, turn these settings off. If the comments are still not showing, the last method we can do is to offload the app. Well, offloading an app means you are deleting the app but still keeping its data and details, so you can sort of do a reinstallation of the app and restore its original data. To do this, go to your settings, tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Search for YouTube, tap on Offload App. Tap on Offload App, and once it's done, you can reinstall the app. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.